Good morning, good evening. Welcome FOMC Day. Welcome community. How do you feel? How do you feel? What's up everyone? How is your Wednesday time? Are you guys ready? You can hear me. I'm having difficult times around the markets today. Watching for that gap. How's it going, fellas? Ladies and gentlemen, $150,000 in giveaways today. We are ready for the show. Thank you so much for joining. Make sure to like the video. We must touch 200 likes. That's what we must touch, 200 likes. And we're ready to fly. So let's see what's happening on Nasdaq and share the presentation in the meantime. Make sure to invite people. You don't want to miss out. No. No one wants to miss out on proper trading, right? Here we are. There's some issues with formula. Let me double check. This is not for everyone. Any World Cup tickets? Maybe for the final. Maybe for the final. Think about it. I think that's going to be interesting, guys, with the final. Oh, yeah. Posted about it on our Discord. Here's the Discord link for those of you that are not members of our Discord community. There you go. You saw what happened yesterday, guys, with Lionel Messi. Hat-trick. Scoring a hat-trick, right? Oh, yeah. I'm going to trade like Lionel Messi scoring yesterday. Now, let me do that here. We're going to trade a lot of Lucid. You know, we're back on having 5 funded Lucid accounts. Funded up 150,000 flexes. I can. Formula is not accepting emails. Oh. Final tickets. Oh, there you go. That's not even a big order. PG contract. Sitting around 20 grand for all that, right? Oh, yeah. Formula, gotta find a way around it. I'm gonna look into. They will not let you type the verification code. I'll double check Formula. Keep in mind, it's FOMC day. 2 p.m. for the rate. 2:30 for the press conference. Kevin driving out. First press conference since installment. It's going to be interesting, guys. We're going to see if there is a quite new direction. Oh, so keep in mind today, a lot of uncertainty around the markets. A lot of it because of the press conference, not because of other things. There's some people speculating for a rate cut today. It's 99% based on the CMA analytics of pause, not a rate cut. So, but yeah, it's going to be a day with 500 points back and forth. Not going to be live on FOMC. No. Hollywood Powell. Where's my green tea for today? We got to fix that first. And then we're starting with some nice technical representation. We're going to discuss technicals, even though it's, you know, FOMC. Yeah. Raise. Oh, there you go. It's extremely unknown today. Usually it's just unknown. But today, with his press conference, and I'm not speaking about just the trading itself, relying for that FOMC approach on the upcoming meetings, their position. Oh yeah, Powell. Well, this is where we are, guys. I mean, the weekly opening is so close. Look at that. Down the way to the 300. No, weekly opening is 191. That's what? 300 points? 300 points and you are a cliff in the gap. Oh yeah. What a gap we've got. Can you believe that? Today's the day to go caution. That's for sure. But there's no better day for that. There's no better day for that than today. I'm here not to sell you accounts, but to protect your money. So act cautiously, guys. I'm not a prop firm. And they got enough money. You can sit in that. You don't have to worry. They do not need your fresh accounts. 12 AC is long, 9 minis, which means I gotta go and short the markets, right? You say full port and hope. You know, those no consistency accounts. Nah. Joking or not, but you know, the full port is not a joke. Might be a reality. Formula is not working. Instant funding, Lucid, is a great choice. I mean, it's classic. 6% target. Classic choice. 6% target. A lot of money for the drawdown. A lot of money. Oh, they changed that. It used to be 6,000. Look at that one, guys. They changed it to 5. It used to be 6,000. They changed it to 5. So they cut $1,000. They cut $1,000 from here. I was watching. Formula is not working. That's right. Email verification required. Formula has a problem today. So we're going to take it off. And we're going to say, Formula is not working. We will proceed without. Right? And we're going to pin that. Oh, you won 21,000? So you're going to say 21,000 daily till it hits, right? Watching for the FundedSeat, we got 2 Bolt accounts. I told you, FundedSeat accounts, their instant funding, Bolt, is no consistency on instant funding from the second cycle and daily payouts from the second cycle. We got 2 accounts of those yesterday, so we're testing the waters. Plus, let me think about, guys, we're just 2 days away from our $50,000 payouts on FundedSeat. Only 2 days away. This one's the 3 accounts we have here. Oh yeah. We're just 2 days away for a $4,500 payout. And that, let's just set up the copy trader. Yesterday was a very good day. Oh, 5,700 Dr. Kulu up today. You want to slow it down? It's FOMC day. You don't want to give that back. No. Forget about trading or get something very, if you want to continue trading, protect that money. If you don't want to stop trading, protect that money, and there is a different way around it. You want to get an account that's cheap somewhere and just play some games with that. Oh, Mr. Knife Art, $22 away to pass 150,000. Congratulations. It's been an easy day for you guys. So you've been smashing the price section. I've been not trading at all today. Let me dive into. Oh, I like this rejection here. But we had a trend breakout here in the 5 minutes. You know, that trending line has been respected. Oh, thank you so much, by the way, for joining. We must hit minimum 200 likes for the giveaways. Oh, the big belly accounts. You want to watch my face? Let me tell you the story of the big belly accounts yesterday. I can show you the P&L soon. I will show you. At some point we were down 45, 50, 55, something like that. Ooh. I'm not joking right now. And we recovered to the point of being down 10,000, actually 9,000 on each. But then we were pushing back. And we're going down, and it was going down and down endlessly. And Scramble was not stopping at 9,000 negative P&L from a good recovery of about 40, 45. Not stopping. Scramble did some lovely mistakes. Let me find those accounts. Big belly drawdown. Oh, there's enough room. But we finished the day around 50 grand. 50 grand down. Let me search for that, guys. Oh, yeah. Nah. I like this purple line. Let me open up my Quant Tower. Cheers, everyone, for my 50,000 loss of yesterday. Was pretty ugly, that dump. We had a bit of recovery. Yeah, insufficient recovery, I would say. Dashboard. Alright, so we're on Earth. Here we are. Listen up, guys. $46 away, Maddie, from passing Lucid Flex. And you blew the whole account yesterday. Oh. Where's my Lucid? It's not connecting. Oh, it's still loading. Oh my gosh. I think I'm gonna short it here. We're nicely dealing with a micros. I'm gonna short this bounce. As soon as the new candle opens, I'm shorting this bounce. 30 micros. I'm looking for seeing a touch on daily VWAP, guys. 452. I think this is a supply which has been respected. Lack of acceptance around the 5, 15, 20s is a great sign. So I'm for this short here. Yeah, Trump speaks for the opening. Oh, that's a good record. Oh, sorry to hear that. But this is looking bad. I don't like this. Oh. I'm gonna cut you right away. What a bad situation. It's not just a bouncing, it's actually a continuation. Look at that. Usually I'm calling red candles silly candles, but at this time, what have you done here? You're not supposed to go back to take liquidity from that wick in this very next 5-minute candle. You should be going back to that liquidity later, but not right now. We had supply there confirmed, and I was looking for a little spot to go risk-free. No, I just go for a few points. Ooh, I need a double tap here, a lower high, fully confirmed. You know, I sold partially. Yeah. Another one. I'm starting to enjoy this. Even though it's a loss. I'm putting my entire stop loss there. I'm actually happy with the current loss level. I'm putting my stop loss at the top of the current. Oh, there you go. 784, guys. We were down 1,200, so we kind of protected about 400 bucks. Let me prove it. I can get back on the right track. We bought, for sure, we bought. Surely we bought. Could test out a long with a stop loss right below the structure. Hopefully we're not too tight. That's just one of the things, right? Look at that. With a stop loss right below this. And a take profit above. Overcutting. Ha ha ha. Oh. I've DC'd a little more. Rip it. Rip it. We got to break this. 510. Get out of the 510. Get out of the 510. We have a clear structure, invalidation, and that's it. 510. Just break that 510. Give me the liquidity hiding above. 510. Come on. I'll go break. Stop loss break even soon. Oh yeah. Come on. There you go. Stop loss break even. We got to do it, guys. We got to do it. We touched the break. Look at that. Look at that. That's why we got to do it. Because it's fake. 5 different candlesticks of 1 minute. Hitting the nail of the coffin. Look at that. And then coming back. But I successfully moved my break even quickly. Because otherwise they're hunting you. So we might have some momentum downwards here. Here's the big belly accounts you did wanted to see for a clear proof. Let me also grab my dashboard area. Oh my gosh. It was not a good day yesterday. It was not a good day in the way I handled. But there's still time to recover. This is where we are. Oh. Should have been going for that short. Look at that one, guys. It's not looking bad. And if 12 AC is long, I feel safe about shorting. Ha ha ha. Chase, everyone. We have 5 funded on Flex. I mean, the account is in no danger. The account is in no danger. We can take max payouts. It's not an issue at all, guys. Not an issue at all. You know, we only got to do $250 a day. the account is in no danger. $374, a number to motivate people. Have a good one, buddy. Make sure to like the video, everyone. 200 likes must be touched. Buffer is gone. Allora. Where is the buffer? Thank you so much, by the way, for joining. Good morning, good day. So you guys were cheering yesterday for Messi. Or for Kylian Mbappe. Which one were you cheering for? The 5 minute is seeking continuation here. So I shouldn't be silly forcing longs. Oh yeah. Kylian Mbappe. Cheering for the underdogs. New Jersey. Oh, there you go, simplistic videos. Good to have you on board. We're great. We're great. Slowly getting back in a good shape. You know what caused yesterday's big loss? The fact that I've been on holiday. I'm out of my shape. I'm unsynchronized, desynchronized with the markets. So gotta find a way around it. Vinicius Jr. Oh, there you go. Underdogs. I mean, Norway. Are they underdogs or not really? Norway. We gotta do some... Let me tell you something, guys. Should we do giveaway accounts with prop firms based on World Cup, based on World Cup? Thinking about it. I was having less green tea. I was having different things in vacation. Less green tea. Less green tea in vacation. I'm testing out along here. I still believe we're going for the liquidity upside, even though supply is confirming here. Supply is confirming here for the moment. But watch out. Today, you see something and you trade the other thing. That's going to be my strategy. So you think the supply here that has been put artificially is respected? This supply here. They created that one artificially. I'm gonna think about doing some giveaways based on World Cups. Those of you winning the exact scores will qualify dock races. That's a pretty good game. And we do this daily. What do you guys think about? You just have to guess the right scores. We're gonna have nice forms and you guys will put in the scores every day. And then the next day, for those of you that got the score, qualified to dock races, we do extra giveaways with this. What do you guys think about? I think that's a good one, right? Nah, I don't like this sell-off right now. And I'm about to lose the account this way. Hell no, I'm gonna get out of this soon. Which one disappointed the most? You know, that's an interesting pressure here from the bulls. Oh yeah, I like that. Give me a moment. Which one disappoint? Spain. Disappointing? Leading. Spain is leading in disappointing. No, we can do this extra World Cup giveaways. Extra. Or maybe not daily, but just from time to time. Even Brazil. Yeah, even Brazil. Cheers, everyone. No giveaway form today. Yeah. Brazil and Spain leading in disappointment. Even though Brazil didn't have a easy game. Nah, not an easy. Giveaway link is down. This is not. It's dangerous, guys, up here. Gotta go with a stop loss there. Got no choice, you know. Got stopped out. Got stopped out, man. Unbelievable. How we totally missed to get right there on those levels. How we totally missed to attack that line. And the liquidity above before you take it back. So I would talk about the shorts, right? I had some shorts at that time. And then with this low here, creating a higher low, right? Creating a continuation higher low behavior. That's why I've longed it again. And that's why I started longing it again. Because I was short for the first time. What a silly price action. Yes, indeed. Just like Senegal. There you go. That's a great team as well. Morocco and Senegal. What happened to my trade yesterday? This one at some point was down 9,000 and then instead of stopping trading, I continued. Still having a lot of money in the account, 374. But that should have been different. That should have been different. Holiday effect, unsynchronized with the markets, lack of sufficient green tea in my body. Not swing trading DRC. At least not swing trading futures and Nasdaq stuff. But I do have a lot of swing trades and investments in the crypto space for many, many years. Welcome back, Solo Trades. Nice to see you running such comments. Are you feeling endangered with that? Tell me, How do you feel about that? Ho, ho, ho. Oh. Daily wheel up 453, guys. Supply here confirming for the moment, but this is FOMC. There's a lot of supplies here delivering. And I feel like chasing for a short is not the right ticket. Not feeling good about this market, and on top of that, not feeling good the way I give this 1,500. Way too much money, way too much money. We're only 500 bucks away. Ha ha ha. There you go, Badger. How do you know this? How do you know this? Are you spying with the drones on top of French Riviera? You're not letting us have fun there. You like the new thumbnail? The new thumbnail is top notch. I'm gonna bounce back. Just like Kim, just like Maddie. French nurses. Nurses? You do nurses. You've seen a thing or two. You know, that's the tradition in those places. You gotta follow the tradition of places you're going, right? That's absolutely normal. You're going in a place, you follow the tradition. That's the way I am. Longing this place. Tradition here is the bulls. Next step forward. 12 AC's doing 9 minis long. Scramboy is doing 20 micros. But you see, these are 50k accounts, and I am not gonna be able to do too much with 50k. Watch out going for the liquidity as we speak. Come on, go for the liquidity. Ha ha ha. Florida. Oh, there you go. It's also a good price, cheap, very cheap. Budget friendly, guys. Budget friendly everything. I'm just going budget friendly. I don't like spending. Not my taste. 460, that's what you try. So you want to knock my account, but I'm gonna make some money here first. 300 bucks. Let's take that, guys. Let's take that $300. Let's just run away from that max loss. We're 700 bucks away. Prediction on Friday, peace deal. What kind of prediction are you looking for? Price action prediction. Friday's peace deal has been announced early. I think it's a good thing to dump the markets. Might be a good thing to dump the markets on Kevin's press conference today. You think we're going to see Nasdaq today or tomorrow below 30,000? Indeed, it's worth it, Kim. You know, it's very interesting that a single payout covers a lot of evaluations lost. Oh, that's a big combination. Corsica, Northern Corsica, no. Peace deal on Friday, and a Texan weekend, says Dr. Kulu. You mean as usually, right? Unbelievable. But I do think 30,000 is not going to remain there. Oh, you haven't seen the right thing. This is where I traded earlier. We made some good money. Like 300 bucks here. Yeah, exactly. You know, but the problem is not with the score, right? The problem is with the type of game you're doing and the type of games that are done by the opponents. You can still lose your first game, especially right now. 8 teams qualify from the 3rd rank out of 12. Right, so the first 2 qualify, plus the 3rd, 8 out of 12. I mean, there's huge chance, even with 2 points to qualify, or 3. 3 is very likely you qualify with 3 points. Any thoughts on New York session, Chris, today and tomorrow? Friday is early closing, and Friday I'm gonna stream. I think it's gonna be a hell of a week. I'm waiting for Nasdaq to hit below 30,000. Right? So, I don't know if this is a bias or it's something else, but I'm looking for seeing this week below 30,000 Nasdaq. We might be able somehow to get that. Yeah. Didn't show up much of a good football. That's the thing. Looking for some improvements. But I've enjoyed Norway. I think I'm going for the underdogs. Haha, there you go. That was a huge surprise. In good shape now, we'll have a decline. Waiting to see Nasdaq back below 28,000. Enough is enough, guys. Enough is enough. But this is still rolling over. We don't have a cliff. We have a slow bleeding. There is about 20 minutes to go. And the New York session starts. Exactly. So we're going to do more and more giveaways if Italy wins this World Cup. Cheers everyone for Italy. Having a great chance, by the way. I would bet on Italy if I would have the chance, but it's not available as the only thing. It's not available. Oh, past 66, Mr. Knife Art. Congratulations, done $9,000. He managed to pass 150,000 Lucid Flex. There you go. Forza Italia. It's a bit slow right these days. Big dump at the opening today. If you're long, probably we're gonna dump. You get my joke, Fred. We're having a great time. Still gotta trade Lucid. But now you want to be careful, Mr. Knife Art, with a past account like that on an FOMC day. Ho, ho, ho. Y12EC, you got academies. You got great academies. What are they doing with your local players? What's happening in the society? Youngsters, how do you grow for your young generations? How do you grow them? With the right skills to do the sacrifices needed for football, for performance, or not? Are they willing to pay the price of the performance, or you grow them differently? How is it going? What's up? You got the infrastructure, but you don't have the people. If you do 10,000 on the opening, an extra giveaway? Ha ha ha. Yeah, could do anything. And it will do anything, right, Badger? It will do anything. The moment you see it breaks out, suddenly reverses, and you got that little email coming out, you have breached an account. Please use the coupon code to do this, to do that, for an extra giveaway, for an extra discount. Oh my gosh. 50% off, Oliver. Congratulations for that. How did you got 50% off? Have they reset? I don't think so. They didn't reset the discounts. But that's fine. Testing out a short from here, guys. Testing out a short from here. Looks interesting. Looks interesting. There is a resistance trending line here for the 1 minute. Italian teenagers. Haven't seen Italy playing, indeed. I'm adding to this. Imagine how out of synchronized I am. No. I'm unsynchronized. There you go. That's a total nuts. No. Not working. We only have $150 away from the max loss. Several weeks. You have to wait. Look at my short, guys. Look at my short. Look at my short. Look at that short I made. Ha ha ha. No, not changing. Look at my short. I can't trade a 50,000 like I do with a 50, yeah. I'm not really skilled on 50,000s. Kamicha. Oh my gosh. We got a cat here. I better ask this cat the way we're gonna trade today, guys. Look at that. Ha ha ha. I'll better let this cat trade today. I have a bad time. Look at that. Oh, there you go. That's the way I trade today. We got more pets sitting around. This is from Mr. Bean. Looks similar, right? No. Oh my gosh. Gotta wait it out. Gotta wait it out. I'm longing it here. Watch out, this is going all the way back to 510. Watch out, Scramble recovering from being down 1,850 is only $150 away from the max loss on this 3 funded accounts. Watch out the way recover. I'm nervous, guys. I'm only doing 10 micros. Where's the whale? The whale is going to be on Lucid soon. Thank you so much, by the way, for joining. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on. We gotta hit those 200 likes. Market opens in about 12 minutes. I would do 20-30 micros here, but there's no space. That $150 drawdown. We should look this, and we should watch this like I would be $150 away from the pound. Instead, I'm $150 away from the max loss. And just imagine the time, look at that, just imagine the time you miss touching the pound. That's the way we're gonna miss today, touching the max loss. Ha 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 ha. Oh, there you go, come on. Let's go for the recovery. I like this. I don't trade anything else. Just Nasdaq for the futures. I like it, guys. Come on, push, push, push. I need $300 so bad here. Next candle, this one. This candle, guys. This candle. Come on. Have a wick for the upside. Have a wick. And I'm out. I'm out here. Lovely. We're down to $1,548 celebration time. That was a hell of a trade. That was a hell of a trade. Slowly, slowly getting cooked. But then, back and synchronized. I'm full closing, guys. Boom. Full close because you need the fireworks. Oh, what's happening with the big belly? We got 500 on Lucid. I'm very happy about it. Let me show you. This one, 574. 571. 725. And then the 2 big belly. We're pretty good there. Slowly back on track. You know, with this prices in the crypto, it's not easy. It's not easy. Watch out. You know, I think we're going for last month's high, 536. 536. $10 micros backing along here. Around the 500s. Take profit higher. Take profit higher. Lovely. Lovely. Oh, you're watching the wrong screen. Totally different because of the FOMC. It will just move around for the liquidity. There is no form today. Formula is not working. We're going to do the giveaways without Formula. I got some longs here. 483, 479 for my Lucid flexes. Limit orders 473. No, 483, 479. I like this candle, by the way. If this is a higher low, just like we did earlier. Just like we earlier did, right? What do you think about Germany? Do you like it? Probably as expected. Probably as expected. Trading the Lucid, trading many other. You guys know pretty well. I like this. I've added more. Not having anything in the meantime here for my Lucid. And we've got some, if we're capable pushing for the next 2 or 3 1-minute candle, then this is going to be interesting. Otherwise, if it reverses from here, I'm going to be in trouble. I've added more. And I've added to my Lucid. We got in a long there for a continuation. Lovely. 4 minis long on my Lucid. Second day. Lovely. Double rejection here on the 1 minute. Looks decent from this standpoint as well. Oh yeah, lovely pump, stop loss break even. The algo is pushing, guys. Stop loss break even. I'm selling partially here. I sold partially. And I'm fully out here. I'm fully out here. We recovered a lot. We're going to be fully out on this side as well. 1,266. There you go. Hard work pays. Hard work pays. Celebration time. 1,266 for the second day, guys. Look at that. Oh. Boom. Look at that. So what did we talk? What have I told you? Do I recover from being $150 away from the max loss? Look at that. Boom. That's a massive one, guys. We're only $662, guys, and we were $150 away from the max loss. That's a big celebration, running away from the max loss. All right, 12 AC, good luck with that one. And look at that. If you're greedy and you're not getting out in today's market, the whole thing disappears. Look at that pump. The whole thing disappeared. Wow. That's just nuts. Will this supply survive around the 520s without touching 536 last month's high? There's a lot of liquidity there. A lot of liquidity there. It's dangerous. Oh my gosh. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you for joining. A lot of uncertainty. You want to watch the last two 1-minute candles in terms of how uncertain is this? But I'm glad we made that 1,266 on this funded. Here. Continuing with the next funded ones. Exactly. The more they play, the deeper they... Oh, look at that candle. The more they play, the deeper they get into the rhythm, the better they become, right? Meanwhile, the other teams are starting well and then running out of power. Look at that one, guys. Today, it is the time to make that 50,000 back on 10 minis. I'm going to do some heavy trading on the big belly accounts today. Oh yeah. I'm going to do some heavy trading. I'd like to go for $100,000 profit in a day. What do you guys think about this idea? It's just an idea for the moment. It's just an idea. It has no execution yet. 1 minute to go. For the wildness. Thank you so much, by the way, for joining. Remember, we must hit 200 likes. What a candle. What a trade. Oh my gosh. 15 seconds to go. Oh yeah. 10 seconds to go for the opening. We're gonna watch this, but you guys better be careful today. Best of luck, everyone. Look at that dump. 40 points, 50 points down from last month's high. Look at that. You just want to look at that. Would have been pretty good sitting on a short. Good evening, good day. Welcome everyone. Look at that. Would have been pretty good sitting in a short. What do you think about the next candle, guys? Can we have the next candle red as well? Three micros. Nine micros short. You haven't seen me with this kind of values in a while. I want to see this candle as well. I want to see this one red. Take profit here, 455. Come on, just a little lower. Oh, there you go. Press the button. I'm out for the moment. Yeah, we made about 200 bucks. We made about 200 bucks. You know, the risk is heavy. Daily VWAP is there, 460s. We touch it. We touch it. Oh. If this is getting nervous, that 306, today's low on daily opening, is an easy target for the shorts. If this is getting spicy, that's an easy target for the shorts. We just have non-stop selling. I will be testing some more shorts. I don't want to short the bottom. Pretty interesting, right? Pretty interesting sell-off. Looks like price action acts like a Friday. Yeah. Let's see if we can go a little lower. A little lower. And I'm out here. Beautiful, beautiful. We made some money with that. Oh. Expecting nothing less. I don't mean to short the bottom, but I'd like to go for the continuation today. There's no way I'm finding trend. There's no way. This was so close of losing it, just 150 bucks away. Probably I'm going to re-short this. Yeah. 9 micros. This is a whole different way of doing risk management. Lovely. Keep the pressure. Sold a little. Sold another round. And we're going to have the stop loss break even for the rest of it. Oh, there you go. We're down 265. We made another 200. Celebration time, guys. Celebration. You might get that bounce. I'm re-shorting this. I think we have space for lower. I think we have space for lower. We're gonna go take profit around 405. Take profit around 405. We just freaking recovered, guys. Freaking recovered. That's insane. We're $150 away from losing the accounts on $2,000 loss. Well, we're... Oh. I don't want to see any wild 50-point candle to the upside from here. Red algo line is... Come on. We need the pressure here in this candle. We need the pressure here. Oh yeah, lovely candle. No more silly candles, just lovely candles. Greetings for red candles. Yeah. I'm adding a little more 12 micros. $12 micros. I don't like this pressure here. Let's see the next one. We got some lovely shorts. We got some lovely shorts on the big belly accounts here. And we got some lovely oh my gosh, look at that money. This is lovely, guys. This is lovely. We're making money here. Look at that short. We gotta go stop loss break even on that short. Even for this one, stop loss break even. Good, I exited from the... We closed one of the trades. Look at that. Our trade is going green on this side as well. I'm fully out here, $190 profit, and I'm going to be fully out from here as well. Fully out pretty much everywhere. Fully out. 11,945. That's insane, guys. 11,945. And we fully recovered on the FundedSeat. Oh my gosh. Celebration time. Celebration time. Celebration time. Celebration time. Crazy. Look at that. Fully recovering. Copy trading 3 accounts. 190 right there. Oh my gosh. Plus 11,900. Thank you. That's crazy, guys. $150 away from the max loss. Fully recovered. Yeah. That's something. Cheers, everyone. Have a good day. I'm retesting another short here. Yeah. 6 micros for this account. Price action is lagging big time. I'm out. Lovely, 358 profit. Price action is lagging big time. Escape that pump, 358 profit, that's good. Hmm. $358. Thinking about, I'd like to bring this one all the way to maybe 2,000, 600, 700. Maybe having an extra 350. Yeah, because this is the third day, guys, third day, and we only need 4 days. So if I want to go max payout, I gotta do 53. Which means another 650. If I do another 650 today and tomorrow, totally 650. I'm taking max payout on 3 accounts. We're copy trading 3 accounts of 50K. This might just want to go higher. This might just want to go higher. We're dealing with a daily VWAP here, but the 5-minute looks good for higher. I'm adding a little bit here. There is a local supply, that's right. But I'm thinking about the next candle. Lovely. I'm fully out here. We made good money, another 200 bucks. Oh yeah. 566. So we need $434 more for the max payout. Yeah. Solid support around 400s. Look at that. We're touching 500s here. Beautiful. Beautiful, guys. Oh my gosh, what a 5-minute candle. That's insane. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. What a 5-minute candle. 100 points. It's not even over. It's not even over. 12 grand in the big belly. I don't think the next one is not going to have a good time being green, guys. The next 5-minute. There's still 1 minute to go over this one. But the next one, I don't think we do a parallel red candle here. I don't think. Imagine if we do a parallel red candle of the 5 minutes here. Look at that. Here. The next one, parallel, back to 400s. I don't think so. I believe whatever we get downside is going to be bought up. Oh yeah. So probably the moment. What a support in 400s. It was not a difficult day in trading so far. No losses. Watch out. Would have been a pretty good idea to long the opening of this candle, as I said. I'll be right back in 1 minute, guys. I'll be right back in 1 minute. 2 minutes. Haha. No formal link today. We do giveaways, yes, but no formal link. It's not working for some reason. Let me get back to you in 2 minutes. Have a little pause, guys. Tremendous trading. Tremendous. We are back. What's going on here? Oh. Touched that last month's high. And now it's coming back. Have a look into that. This is risky, guys, for the longs. All I can tell you. Markets might surprise you today on how dirty the whole thing could be. Although I will be testing out a short here. Nine micros short. Lovely. And I'm out. $826 profit there, guys. That's insane. We're also making money on this side. Look at that. Ha ha ha. We have shorted 10 minis in the big belly account. Shorted 10 minis. But very important, guys. For the funded seat, we're extremely close to the pound. From being exactly on the other side of the process, $150 from the max loss today. Now we're extremely close to the pound. We only need the minimum value tomorrow. Stop loss break even here, guys. Watch out. Watch out the way we're printing. Oh yeah. Keep it going. Not exiting out of my short. I like to do another 10,000. There you go. I'm out from this one. I'm going to be out from the other one too. And I'm going to eliminate my pending $20,000 profit, guys, quickly. Unbelievable, guys. Look at that. $20,000 profit. Oh, my God. $20,000 profit on this short. And a lot of money on the other side, too. We're in fire. We're in fire. 824, guys. We're $260 away from the max payout on FundedSeat. Oh. And we can do that tomorrow. Tomorrow is day number 4 on this funded accounts. We gotta do 250 minimum. So we do 280 and we'll take max payout tomorrow. Oh yeah. That's just lovely. Cheers, everyone. This has been a hell of a performance. Let me get out here and do my daily lockout stuff. Do my daily lockout stuff. Beautiful. Fully locked out for these 3 accounts. We're doing copy trading. Fully locked out. Time to trade those instant bolt accounts. Instant funding bolt. Yeah, I'm longing. Oh. This is going aggressive, guys. I sold partially. Yeah. Accepted a partial loss. Had to do it, guys. Had to do it. Stop loss break even on my entry. We touch it. This one has a daily stop loss limit. Instant funding bold. Daily stop loss 2,500. Gotta be careful. Got back in a little long here. And probably I'm going to add more in the new candle. 20 micros. 30. Sold partially. Made like $250 on that. And I'm leaving the rest open. Stop loss break even. Come on, let's go. Wow. Break even touched. Oh yeah. Make sure to join our Discord community if you want to be part of giveaways. We're having daily giveaways. Formula is not working today for some reason. Probably the market makers are bothered about. Yes, formula is not working. Yes, yes, yes. We got it along here. I don't want to be too early. Still watching out. Oh. Having I was a little too early. I've DC'd there, but this is getting so risky. We're going to touch our date now. We touch the daily stop loss here in this one. Soft breach, not an issue. Look at that drop. Are we going for today's low? 3.6? 3.06? Yeah. This is the first loss today. This one, 2,755. Otherwise, we had a very good time today. The other three copy trader are 826. It's only a single day away from the payout. $250 tomorrow, minimum needed. And we're securing 3 payouts on the 50K. And here our big belly accounts have 15 grand profit. It was 20 earlier. What about this level? Okay, we got a bit of a reaction here. Or it's too early. I'm just wondering. Might be too early. And we might need some more time. $350s and $250s. They're quite deep, even below today's low and yesterday's low. We got the weekly opening 191, so we should not be surprised if that one's gonna get attacked before the FOMC. Weekly opening. They might want to take this one back to weekly opening. You know, I'm going to accept some pressure losses here, I mean soon, with this one's on Lucid. Maybe in the next 1 minute. Maybe this one, if we got a little more fuel. I'm happy to take a partial loss if we got a little more fuel. Where's our fuel? Is there any fuel? I only need 2 green candles in a row. Capoeira. Yes, formal is not working today. Wow. Going lower. Today's low. And daily opening 306. Lovely reaction. Lovely. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. By the way, we must hit 200 likes. Remember that. 200 likes. Oh, we're so far away. $200 likes for the giveaways. You guys don't want to do giveaways on FOMC day. We're far away from touching that. We're having like 20 minutes maximum. 20 minutes to hit 200 likes. Remember. Pretty good situation here. Could run higher. Hmm. $350s is strong. Oh. Not getting out of my long there. Wow, look at that. We up 450s. This 5 minute that we have right now is going to be interesting. We haven't touched the daily opening in today's low. And we had a pretty prompt reaction front running all those limit orders. Might be for a reason. Might be for a reason, guys. Might be for a reason. All the way back to 350s again. Not enjoying this. Not enjoying this. Not really enjoying this. Remember, we've got 15 minutes to go to hit 200 likes. If we don't hit it, no giveaways. That's our target. Beautiful pressure here. Beautiful pressure. I like this pressure. I like this pressure. Nah, it totally disappeared. Oh my gosh. Such a trap. Such a freaking trap. Look at that. Very interesting how we have not touched these levels. We might go a little higher before we come back here. That's just what my question is. If we go a little higher, maybe around this level, 450s, before we touch those today's low or yesterday's lows. Let's see, can we break out of this? I'll have an exit as soon as we break out. I'm not going to become greedy on this trade. We were down 15,000. And now we're about to see some full recovery. There you go. We're out. We're actually out in lovely profit. We're actually out in lovely profit with that. Celebration time, guys. That was an easy. Boom. Big time celebration, guys. Big time celebration. Quantum. Reading through your message. Yes, he's not coming around, so my suggestion, guys, my suggestion with YRM is to stay away until we have news about their payouts fully recovering. Till that moment, do not touch YRM, do not buy YRM, do not do anything with YRM until they fully update us with promises and fully update us with commitment on their payout timing. 24 hours, 42 hours, 72 hours, 48 hours, whatever numbers. But it has to be a commitment because otherwise it needs to be avoided, right? So that's the reality. That's the reality. And there's already people avoiding it. We've been saying to avoid YRM for a few weeks already. Their Discord allows new members, as far as I know. We still have accounts, right? So you can refuse it, but there's people who want to trade. You can refuse it and give it to someone else if you don't want it. If we got this accounts for the giveaways, we're gonna share them. But you can give it away. It has nothing to do one with the other. Watching for the possibility of going lower here, guys. If you're watching and looking the price section on the 5-minute, that was an ugly rejection right below the VWAP. Haven't touched that. I did expect it to move around 450s. Yeah, 15-minute looks weak and it wants continuation, but remember, it's FOMC day and the price action can easily be dirty. Filthy. Let's not underestimate the possibilities of you know, this levels. Undercutting this here and then resuming on a nice uptrend for the afternoon. You guys have to consider that. 191, if we touch 191 today, you're not necessarily needing to remain bearish. But at this point, it's hard to be bullish at this point. Right, so doing this thing. We got this level. And we might set something under. Even though, look at the bulls stepping in right now. Look at that. Changes the whole thing. Changes the whole thing. But we're not going to get fooled. We have seen from such a green candle, the very next is a silly, strong red one denying the whole thing. We have seen that on this kind of days. Taking London high. $440s. Speaking about touching VWAP here, suddenly this 15-minute looks different, right? Than what it used to be. Very interesting. That's why the closing of the candlesticks are extremely important, guys. The closings. From bears and bulls. You think he's going to promise not to increase till next year? Now, yesterday we finished down 50 grand. You joined the giveaway by sitting on the live stream, guessing the number. We're not having formula. You don't have to sign up today. Oh, no hikes this year. Interesting. What about cuts? What about cuts? Look at that. Still running, guys. Still running upside. Still running upside. Enough green looking for lower on the FOMC. Badger. We're going to have some limit orders here. Some of that lovely 10 minis. You guys know what we like. 10 minis. Oh. Shorting 10 minis from here. I like that profit. Yeah. He might only promise the cuts and not do it. It's gonna spike the crypto market a lot in an altcoin season if he speaks about the cuts. He only has to say, we don't exclude the possibilities of cuts. And we're fine with that. For the cryptos. July season. You know, 200% for the altcoins. They're down 90%. Where it used to be last year. I'm shorting this one. I'd like to see a bleeding here starting. Slow, bleeding. Enough is enough from the bulls. You do agree with me, right? Do you? Oh yeah. We're streaming on Friday as well, so we're not going to take off on Friday. I'm going to be here. Listen up, guys. We still have to go a few more likes, 15 more likes, 15 more likes to hit our target for the giveaways. Not using Bollinger Band. No, no. Not using it. Seven minutes. We're a little down here, but the flush is going to be juicy, so we should not worry. Three 1-minute candles, and we're $5 in profit. Look at that. Oh, look at that. 3 1-minute candles, or repeat that, and we're more than 5K in profit. Go. Go. I'm going to get back about 400 grand on this account today. Might need around $23,000, $25,000 profit here. I think that's achievable. Will you guys trade some evaluations? Some evaluations today. You know, the ones you can do, trade in high volatility, Lucid Pro. Lucid Pro is no consistency on your evaluation phase, so you can pass the account in a single day. But you gotta know, if you're hunting such models, it's high risk, high reward. I don't like this 1-minute candle. Should have been different. Look at a 5-minute. Bulls are hard to kill by Jonathan. But you want to see that 5-minute. Look at that. We're very close in hitting the target with 200 likes. Very, very close to that one. Still have 5 minutes to go. Come on, cliff from here. Give them time to load up and chase the price action, and then you cliff. Do not tell me if I long it here. If I switch from my short to a long, do not tell me it's not coming down. Because you know it's coming down if I long it. So I better stay in shorts. You know, when overcut there and then come back. Enough is enough. Come back. It's just a couple of points. The entry is decent. Not at the peak, but I'm very happy about the 3 accounts we've got on 50K. Tomorrow we are going to be ready for the payout, guys, for FundedSeat tomorrow. 3 50K accounts ready for payout on the 4th day. So minimum days. Not wasting time. We'll take 1,500 from each. That's 4,500. We'll get 90 to 10. That's 450 down. It's, you know, 4,050. 4,050. That's very good, guys. From something that's costing like what, $80 or something like that per piece, 3 accounts. 240. I think 4,000. We lost some evaluations, about $2,700 lost. But there's still 4,000 payout. That's, you know, still profit there. Still profit there. Plus you have the accounts remaining for the second cycle. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that price action here. Acting dirty. Price action acting dirty. Formula is not working. We don't do formula today. Congratulations. Thank you, guys. We've hit the necessarily needed likes. 2 more minutes and we're starting the giveaways. 2 more minutes. Oh, sorry to hear that, Badger. This is running big time. What a move. Wow. Fully unexpected to be so powerful. Fully unexpected. And it's certainly unexpectable. Certainly unexpectable to be so powerful. There's no way you can trade this. This is nuts. Taking all my daily. Oh. His account took a vacation. Wow. What a pump, guys. What a pump here. You wouldn't say so, and this might still continue, but I bet this is coming down. Not getting out of it. No way. Not gonna get out of it. We front run today's low, yesterday's, everything. We just front run the whole picture. This is such a silly move. We just front run the whole thing with the lovely targets for the shorts being around 270s. 270s. That's exactly what we should have touched. Oh, 600s. We want to make a new high. How many accounts do I copy trade? I mean, depends on the prop firm. FundedSeat, we're doing 3 accounts. Lucid, we are usually not copy trading. This is not a copy trade. It's a very similar trade. Most of the time, there's 2 big belly are traded at a very, very similar level. We still have alright guys, so we're about to wrap up the things because we're continuing with the giveaways. This is the funded 2206 second day funded Lucid Flex. Lovely, right? 2206. This one is 0. We gotta still trade this one, and this one is 1266. This one with 0, we gotta trade this and make at least 250. But the thing is, I'm not able to long it because that would be hedging. I can only short it. So I will be shorting from here for $250 profit. Minimum. I will be shorting for a continuation here, guys. For a local top, clear supply on the 1 minute structure, shorting for a continuation downwards. Come on. Lovely, 298 profit. Easy money. That's beautiful. You know, oh, look at that. We're nicely about to recover. Nicely about to recover. The big belly accounts have a lot of money inside. Even for today's profit, like 15 grand. Right, so we're pretty much set up on Lucid. Pretty much set up on Lucid for today. All the 5 accounts are green P&L. All the 5. Next week, we might be able to go for the full payout. 15 grand from this 500 next week. A big belly accounts have enough money, but the other 3, they do need a couple of grand. $456. That's the place of my 460s and my short entry. Little early in my short here, should have waited for the supply. But imagine if they do this, right? If they just brought up the price action to this level in order to dump it back. 400s. That would be an interesting target on 400s. So I'm still going to leave my shorts open. And we're starting the giveaways, guys. We got enough likes. Thank you so much, by the way. Thank you so much. Time to start the giveaways. We don't have Formalo. We don't have Formalo today, unfortunately. It's not working. We only need a single more day for the pound and FundedSeat, hopefully tomorrow, securing 4,500. And now it's time for the wheel, it's time for the ducks, and it's time, that's it actually, no, for a mellow. Time for the wheel, time for the ducks, time for having fun. Time for some celebration, right? Time for some celebration. Exactly. Interesting, guys, here. Interesting. Minimum 450s. Alright, guys, so we're having no form today. No form today. It is not working. No form today. No form today. Yes, you can participate. Haha. Good to see you. 12 AC Sun. Good to see you. No form today. You can certainly participate. Good luck with that one, buddy. So, where are we? We're quite aggressive here. Almost fully recovered, guys, and I'm not closing out in my short. I think it's going a little lower. Whether we get a bounce or not here doesn't matter to me. I think it's going lower. So, let's think about, guys. First giveaway is going to have 2 accounts. First account will be a 25,000 flex from FundedSeat. Second account will be a 25,000 Ignite from Tap1Futures instant funded, right? You simply enter by guessing the number. There is no other way today. No form today, no form today. It's not working. It's not working today on the form, guys. We don't have a form today. It's a daily VWAP here. That's the risk. And I'm out here for the moment, guys. I'm out in profit. I'm out in profit. 24,000 bucks profit. There you go. I'm out in profit. Out from both. Totally 24 grand in profit. I like that. So, a single choice per person. How do you participate? Quite simple. Like the video, be subscribed, and then join our Discord. These are the 3 conditions today. Remember, we do daily giveaways. Daily. Right? So we do daily giveaways. You gotta remember that. From 8 a.m. EST time. Watch out for the numbers. You guys got to guess the number. So we're going to do between 0 and 3. You can start right now. Let me know your best choice. Just a single number per person, guys. Between 0 and 3. Let me know your best choice. Between 0 and 3. Let me know your best choice. Alright guys, stop right there. No more guesses. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Stop right there. We got back in the long here, by the way, guys. Look at that. 4,000 bucks profit. Got out of my short there. And we're already 5,000, 6,000 bucks profit. We're going to take care about this. So I'm out. Yeah, let me get out of this. Let me get out here. Even out of the other one. Beautiful, 28,600. And it's time to spin the wheel. Shuffle. Here we are. Best of luck, everyone. Ha ha ha. Good luck, guys. Daily giveaways. Daily giveaways. That's going to be number 2. Very likely number 2. Jake is not here. He's been away the whole week. Jake is not here. Where's the gang with a number 2? Only a single choice per person. Obviously, it does not work like that. You got all the numbers, and then what? Beautiful. Number 2 for the winners. Congratulations. Congratulations. Number 2 for the winners. $403. We're 403, 12 AC, 403, 28 grand profit, 403. 28 grand profit. Congratulations for the winners in number 2. Let's get to the duck race. Names. Remember, we got 2 winners. 91 right there. A minute competition time. First ranked will get the 25,000 funded seat. Second ranked will get basically the Ignite account, tap on futures. Who's gonna win, guys? Come on. Give me your best choice. It's a little easier today. We don't have formula. Fallen soldier. We're gonna find it out. Who's going to speed up right now? Trader at the top. Superman. Trader leading. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Trader and Nick Parker. Trader and Nick Parker. Congratulations. Look at that one. Trader, you got this. FundedSeat 25,000 goes out to you. Nick Parker, 25,000 Ignite. Tap on futures goes out to you. Congratulations. You can't feel bad about. But let me see, where are you here, Badger? You're not here. Scramble here, 84. Badger is 87. Look at that. Wow. Not bad, not bad. Trust me. Trust me. Could be 91. Lovely, guys. Continuing, the next giveaway will be Lucid. It's going to be a 50,000 Lucid Pro. Wow, 50,000 Lucid Pro. $50,000 Lucid Pro. Watch out for the numbers. Between 0 and 5, you can start right now. Let me know your best choice. Between 0 and 5, guess the number. A single guess per person. And obviously, forget about spamming. It's not needed. Just a single choice per person and you're good. We don't need to see your number 20 times. You're going to get a timeout and you're going to miss the opportunity to participate. Hopefully, formula is going to work tomorrow. It will. I'll fix it. Tomorrow is not FOMC day. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. No more guesses. It's over. Shuffle for the Lucid Pro 50,000 Lucid Pro. Creating a huge range. Still range exactly. Waiting from Kevin. Mr. Kevin. He might promise something. No cuts this year. Yeah. Exactly. That short was great. Number 5 for the winners. Congratulations. Number 5 for the winners. I think you like that, number 5. On a 50,000. Lucid Pro. I bet you do. Congratulations. For the winners, I think we got a ton. 51. Whoa. Not a big deal at all. 53. 30 seconds competition time for this 50,000 Lucid Pro. Let's go. Best of luck, guys. Best ranked is winning 50,000 Pro. Oh, look at a Quantum. Taking the right spot. Oh. Sid. With number 44, Sid. Winning today. Congratulations for this one. Have a good one, Sid. Congratulations. Antares on second. But Sid is winning today. Congratulations, buddy. Good job. Good job. Continuing, guys, with the next one, a 50,000 YRM. Next one, 50k YRM. Last giveaway for today. We've shared 100 grand so far. 50,000 YRM will be the last for today. Oh yeah. 50k YRM. We're going to do between 0 and 7. So you can start right now. Between 0 and 7. Let me know your best choice, guys. Between 0 and 7. Keep going. Let me know for the best choice. Best of luck, everyone. Are we going back to 500s? What do you guys think about 500s here for the Nasdaq? Oh, yeah. 50,000 YRM account for the winner. 150,000 total giveaways today. Keep in mind, we're doing daily giveaways from 8 AM EST time. Our streaming starts. Stop right there. No more guesses, it's over. No more shuffle and we're good to go. Could it be number 2, guys, on that blue? What do you guys think about number 2? Number 2 on the blue. There you go. Is it rigged? Was that a question or is it a statement? Congratulations for the winners. That's exactly number 2 as predicted. Congratulations. By the way, we got in 10 minis again on this wick. We bought into this wick, guys. 10 minis. Let's just get back to 550s. Make another 20 grand. I know you don't mind it. So we only have 31 and then Jake's memory. And Jake's memory right there, Badger, with Jake's memory, 30 seconds competition time. A best ranked is going to take this 50,000 YRM. Oh, what a pump. I like it. I can't show you the P&L right now. The ducks are swimming around, but you have to see that. X-Trader leading. He's not going to win. He's going to get stopped out. I got a pedal stopping fellas out. Pro 30 winning. Congratulations, buddy. Pro 30 winning. Look at that. Ooh, 50,001. Pro 30. Oh. Where's Jake's memory? Badger is there with Jake's memory on the 16th. Scramble 25th. I'll make money by trading. I'll compensate there. Congratulations, beautiful. Congratulations, everyone. Go pro or go home. This is our trade. It's running here. Oh my god, what happened, guys? What happened? Oh my gosh. What are they doing? What is he announcing? Is he speaking Trump? What is he doing, guys? What is he doing? Oh my god. What's wrong with this? I think this is gonna go all the way back and then higher. Watch how this is gonna go all the way back and higher. You guys want to see that? How this is going all the way back and higher? We only touched the daily opening and made a new low on his speech. Oh my god. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. You're gonna find out what happened with this trade tomorrow. Look at that. You're gonna find out tomorrow. Would have been pretty good to sit in a short. Would have been pretty good. But that's not possible. Pure guessings. Thank you so much, guys, once again. Have a lovely day, lovely time. Careful with the FOMC. We're going to be out there on Discord for the rest of the day. Thank you once again. We meet you tomorrow. Have a beautiful